Today we are going to discuss about the types of non-ideal solution. Students, depending upon the Raoult's law, how much the solution are going to obey it. The solution are of two types. Non-ideal solution are of two types. First is the solution which show positive deviation from Raoult's law, and second is the solution which show negative deviation from Raoult's law. So we will discuss one by one. So first one is the solution showing positive deviation from the Raoult's law. As the name itself suggests that it is showing positive deviation, that means the vapor pressure of the solution at any composition, right, will be greater as predicted from the Raoult's law. Right? That is the solution which are going to show the vapor pressure which will be higher than the vapor pressure predicted from the Raoult's law. Right? So we will state it that solution whose vapor pressure at any composition is greater than calculated, or you can write predicted from Raoult's law. You know that from the Raoult's law, it is that the partial pressure is equal to vapor pressure of the pure component and its product with the mole fraction. So here it is going to, it will not be equal. That means it is a non-ideal solution, right? When we put this, it is a non-ideal solution. So what it is going to be, if it is not equal to this partial pressure of A, if it is not going to be equal to this part, then it will be equal to what? So that time it is PA, where the partial pressure of A component will be greater than as expected from the Raoult's law. So from Raoult's law it is stated that it should be equal to the product of the vapor pressure of the pure component and its mole fraction. So it is going to be greater. Similarly, students, we can write for PV. So PV also, if it is not going to be, since it is a non-ideal solution, so it will be not equal to the product of the vapor pressure of the pure component B and its product with the mole fraction. So then it will be greater than that of the product of the vapor pressure of the pure component and its mole fraction. Right? So this equation is for the solution showing positive deviation from Raoult's law, and it will be for all composition at any composition, right? And the total pressure P will then be greater than the partial pressure A plus partial pressure of B, or you can write it as P greater than P naught K dot phi A plus P naught B dot chi. Right? So this is the equation or the mathematical expression for the solution showing the positive deviation from the Raoult's law. Right? Now just have a look on the solution on the graph, vapor pressure mole fraction graph, right, for the solution which is showing positive deviation from Raoult's law. So first of all, here are graph which has been plotted. It is for the ideal solution which is obeying the Raoult's law at all concentration and temperature. Right? So this we have discussed earlier also. Now the graph for the solution showing positive deviation. Right? Here it will be a curve, student, for every line. Right? This is for the A component, this is for the B component, and this is the total vapor pressure. Right? So here you are going to draw since the vapor pressure is found to be greater, so it will be just above the straight line. This is the curve, right, for the solution showing the positive deviation from Raoult's law. In the same way, we can draw the another graph or another curve, right, which is for the expression, this one PB, and this is for the PA. It is found to be greater than that expected from the Raoult's law. And the total pressure, student, it will be again greater than the total pressure as calculated or expected from the Raoult's law. It is to be found greater. Now students, now there are few examples also which I am going to quote here. Two examples. Now here the solution of water and ethanol, water and methanol, cyclohexane and ethanol. Student, these are the liquid pairs, right? This is the first liquid pair, this is another. These are going to form the solution which will have the vapor pressure greater than the vapor pressure expected from the Raoult's law, right? At any composition. Whatever composition we can have, the pressure will be found to be greater than the Raoult's law, right? What is being expected from the or calculated from the Raoult's law, right? Now student, we will discuss about the characteristic of the solution which show positive deviation from Raoult's law. Now the characteristics. Now, before we continue with the characteristics, so why is it so that they are showing the positive deviation from the Raoult's law? Right? So, before we discuss these characteristics, let me first discuss here that why the deviation is there. Why the deviation from Raoult's law. Why we are getting the deviation from Raoult's law, right? Now, such kind of solution, the interaction, the AB interaction is weaker than AA and BB interaction. Right? If you remember, for the ideal solution it is equal, but for the non-ideal solution it is not equal, and in this case the AB interaction is weaker than AA and BB interaction. Right? So let us take an example here, cyclohexane and ethanol. Right? So let me first write the ethanol here. So here we have, this is the ethanol molecule. Right? So OH, this is another ethanol molecule. So this is A component, this is also A component. You can see here, this is the A component interaction is there. This is the hydrogen bond here between the components molecule. Right? So this is the AA interaction. So when we add a cyclohexane molecule, right, when we are adding a cyclohexane molecule or cyclohexane liquid has been mixed to it, what will happen, students? The cyclohexane will occupy the space between the ethanol molecule. Right? That means it is occupying the space between the ethanol molecule. It is not getting associated with ethanol, right? So AB interaction is not there. It is just getting its place in between the space of the two ethanol molecule. As a result, what will happen? The two ethanol molecules, they are going to, the hydrogen bond between them is going to get weaken up, or it will break down. As a result, what will happen? The escaping tendency of the ethanol molecule is going to increase, right? And if the escaping tendency will increase, definitely the vapors of ethanol will be now in greater quantity, and hence the pressure exerted by these vapors at equilibrium, right, will be high. Hence the vapor pressure of the ethanol molecule will be higher than that expected from the Raoult's law. Right, student? So this is the reason that why do the solution show the positive deviation from Raoult's law? Because since the A and B interaction is weaker, right? So the AA interaction and the BB interaction, they gets broken down due to the involvement of the other component molecule or occupying the space between the two molecules of the same kind, right? So the escaping tendency will increase. If escaping tendency increases, the vapor pressure will definitely increase, right? It's the reason behind it. Now, student, we will discuss the characteristic shown by the positive deviation solution. Now, first of the characteristic, student, is the enthalpy change. This is the important one. Characteristic of solution showing the positive deviation. So first is delta H, that is the enthalpy change. Enthalpy change on mixing is positive. Right? Now since the AB interaction is weaker than AA and BB interaction, right? Since the AB interaction is weaker than the AA and BB interaction, the no heat here, student, the heat is going to be evolved, right? So the here, since there is no bond or no interaction or very least interaction between AB molecular interaction, so more energy is required to overcome AA and BB interaction. So more energy is required to overcome the AB interaction, right? So heat is going to be required. Since it is required, so here delta H is positive, or we can say it is an endothermic process. So if we mix water and ethanol solution, or we just get the two liquid water and ethanol mixed, what will happen? The test tube wall or the beaker wall is going to get cooled down because it will absorb the heat from the surrounding to get intermixed, right? So whenever there is a cooling down of the beaker or a container, right, which contains the two liquid, right, this solution process of the two liquid has taken place, right, and if the heat has been absorbed from the surrounding, right, this makes the beaker or container gets cooled down. That type of solution or that type of liquid pair will be showing positive deviation from Raoult's law, right, student? So this we have discussed here, that what is positive deviation from Raoult's law. right? Why the positive deviation is shown by the solution. Second, we have discussed the first characteristic here, that is enthalpy. Delta is enthalpy change of mixing. It will be endothermic in nature, that is delta H is going to be positive. Now student, come to the second characteristic, that is volume change, that is delta V. So here just I am rubbing enthalpy and writing here volume change on mixing. Student, that will be also positive. Delta V is going to be positive here. So why is it so, student? You have seen that the escaping tendency due to the since the interaction, AB interaction is weaker than AA and BB interaction. What happens? The escaping tendency of A component and the B component, it is going to increase. As a result, what will happen? The volume occupied by A and the B component molecules is going to increase. So, before mixing, the volume occupied, and after mixing, the volume occupied by the two components is going to vary, right? It is going to increase. That's why the delta V is going to be positive, right? So delta V, that is the volume change on mixing, is going to be positive here since there is increase in the volume. So the escaping tendency of both component increases. Therefore, delta V will be positive. Right, student?